It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie G, and if you're new here and if you're returning, hey girl, how you doing? My hair is low-key in shambles. I silk pressed it the other day and it ended up raining, so yeah, that's over. Even though I was really feeling a straight look, I don't want to put any more heat on my hair, so today we're gonna opt for a V-part moment. The top of my hair is a lost cause at this point, baby. The heat damage is happening, so I'm not too mad about flat ironing that part, but the back of my hair can be saved, and in my mind it's worth it to go ahead and put her up. So I parted out a little bit of hair on top for my leave out, and I braided my hair up in the back and kind of just pinned it down. So that is our base for today. I'm twisting up my leave out and kind of pinning it out of the way because we're going to go ahead and start to prep our wig. This is her. Today's video is sponsored by Julia Hair. They sent me this wig and all of the information will be down below in the description bar. It's a body wave V-part wig. So it's going to be super easy to get a nice silky look with this hair. I clipped the wig on and kind of got her situated. We're not going to sew it in today. I want this to be super easy, beginner friendly. So we just went ahead and clipped her on as normal, popped all the combs in along the sides and in the back, and I'm wetting it down a little bit and applying some serum just because I didn't wash this wig before installing it, and I want to knock a little bit of this wave out so I don't have to straighten the hair before I curl it. So I just dampened the hair, put a little bit of John Frieda Frizzy's serum, and I blow dried it out just, you know, to kind of relax the curl pattern a little bit before we go in and trim the hair. Before we go ahead and focus on the cut, I went ahead and trimmed off like an inch and a half off the bottom with my scissors, and then I'm using my razor comb to add in some layers up top and along the sides to frame my face. As you can see, one side has a lot more shape and body to it, and the side that I haven't cut yet wasn't quite given. So I went ahead and cut the other side, and now we can get into curling. I'm starting in the back, and I'm using my 1-inch Babyliss Pro flat irons to get some cute little curly curls, honey. I didn't want to use my 1.5-inch barrel because I really did want more of a tighter curl. And I haven't done curls in my flat iron in a minute, so these turned out super cute. I love how tight the little ringlets were. I haven't used my flat iron to curl hair in quite some time, and I'm not gonna lie, this made me want to bring it back. The big curls are beautiful. The big curls, you know, they give a different vibe, but every now and then I'm down for a little curly Sue look. Something about those 1-inch curls just have been hitting lately. So I'm just going row by row, working my way up my head until I get to the top, where I'm going to go ahead and flat iron my leave out first, and then we can go ahead and curl this top layer. So I'm starting in the back just to get a little bit of volume. I curled that section going straight back, and then I'm going along the sides and curling the hair back as well. We almost going for like a Farrah Fawcett curl. She's giving like Boogie Wonderland vibes, and I'm into it. It's giving very 70s, very vintage, and I am into it. I was curling this one little spot to smithereens, trying to get it to match the other one, but baby, it was not happening. So I went ahead and just pinned the hair instead because I didn't want to keep putting heat on it. And while I have that kind of loosening up, I'm going in with a little bit of edge control and just polishing up the edges. We're not doing any crazy baby hair today. This is more of like a simple, clean, sleek style. So I just slick my edges back, and this is her, honey. This is she. I wasn't quite able to get the front to match perfectly, but I'm not mad at my little wave on the side. She was giving. I wanted to play with like a little half up vibe too, but I couldn't find my clip, so I just kind of held it so you guys could see. But yeah girl, this is what she's giving. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. It's a little bit different, but still super pretty. If you would try this look, comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this look, and I will see you in my next one. Bye babes.